Hi everyone, I'm representing Project Jupiter today. My name is Martha and I'm a software engineer based in Austin. I work for IBM and contribute to Jupiter Lab. First, we wanted to recognize the global community of contributors for Project Jupiter. We especially want to call out and highlight the latest cohort of distinguished contributors who were announced in March of this year. Your contributions are what keep all of this running, so thank you. The Jupiter Lab team has been working on real-time collaboration for some time now. If you want to try it out, it's currently available in beta in Jupiter Lab 3, and it will be included in the official release for Jupiter Lab 4. The pre-release for that is installable today. Jupiter Hub 2.0 introduced permission roles and scopes for easier permission management last December, and the 2.0 release of Zero to Jupiter Hub on Kubernetes is coming soon, which upgrades to Jupiter Hub 2.0. The Jupiter server team is adding multi-user support in the upcoming 2.0 release, including identity, permissions, and an event system to allow for better collaboration on a single server. For example, Jupiter Hub can use this to provide read-only access to user servers. A change that's years in the making is the new proposed governance model, which is currently public on GitHub and is in the final stages of discussion and voting. We want to highlight that 2 new sub-projects were created as a part of this process: accessibility and security. We look forward to seeing future improvements in these areas across all Jupiter software. Project Jupiter is a global community that primarily thrives through online collaboration. However, over the years, we've hosted various high-impact in-person gatherings. The 3rd round of Jupiter community workshops are in progress, and round 4 announcements will be made next week. If anyone here is interested in leading a Jupiter community workshop, please visit the NumFocus booth to speak to the Jupiter community event manager, Gail Allington. We're also actively planning our user conference, JupyterCon 2023. Follow us on Twitter at JupyterCon. And finally, community calls are happening every month to showcase new projects in the community, so that's a great way to get to see what exciting new work is popping up around the community, and anyone is welcome to come.